What's the meaning of chamber? Chamber. Chamber.
Chamber. Chamber. Chamber can refer to a variety of things, depending on the context in which it is used. Generally speaking, a chamber can be any enclosed space or room. A chamber might be a part of a firearm where ammunition is loaded, or it could be part of the human heart or digestive system. It may also refer to a room used for specific purposes, such as a council chamber or a music chamber. In short, the meaning of chamber depends on its context and can refer to a variety of enclosed spaces or specialized rooms.